Nova Scotia is known for its picturesque seaside villages, but did you know there are some beautiful gardens to explore as well? I'm Karen Chapman, here for GardenDesign.com, and I'm excited to give you this idea for a fun self-guided day trip to 3 gardens in and around Halifax, as recommended by my good friend and gardening celebrity Niki Jabbour. Niki recommends you begin your day at the Halifax Public Garden, the oldest Victorian garden in North America with manicured beds and an iconic bandstand, before heading to the Dalhousie Agricultural Campus to explore the Rock Garden. Finish the tour at the award-winning Annapolis Royal Historic Gardens that commemorate the settlement and pioneering days of Nova Scotia. So pack your camera and get ready for a really special day out. And don't forget to sign up for our free newsletter. You'll learn what to do in your garden each season, what to plant, learn about gardening tours and local events. Sign up on our website at GardenDesign.com.